Hey everybody. Thanks for joining me on my channel today with Amy's Creative Acrylics. I'm Amy. Hello. I apologize for my voice again. I got sick again. And fortunately this time I have COVID. I just feel like I have a really bad cold though, so I got a little bit of energy today, so I really wanted to do a painting. I've had this sitting around waiting for me to finish up here, so I'm going to go ahead and get to this. This is a two-piece. This is wood panels. I do have them taped up and ready to go here. And I'm just using some cups underneath the bottom. Let's see. No, I got them all. Get them back in place here. And I'm just going to do this one kind of simple. I'm just going to use black, white, and silver. The colors that I'm going to use, so I'm using Eye Candy's paste. This is Satora White. It's a paste. I'm using Eye Candy's, I don't know how to pronounce that. It's Kokuyo black. And then I did mix in a little bit of the black. So this is a paste, and then I mixed in the black shimmer glitter here, or it's mica, I believe it is. It's not glitter. Anyway, it's really pretty. I'll put the link in the description for Eye Candy if you guys are interested in any products. They I do have a discount code as well there. And then the silver that I'm using actually is a mix between the Pinata Silver Alcohol ink. And then I got this offline. It's Montmartre's. I thought it was an alcohol ink, but I think it's more like a paste as well because it's really thick. So I just mixed the two together. And I got, oh my gosh, I got a beautiful silver. So I'm pretty excited about it. It's really pretty. So I'm going to use that as well. So let's get started here. I already have my glass, my mirror glass, and my clear quartz points all down and resin down. Like I said, I did that the other day when I thought I was going to go ahead and paint, but then I just haven't been feeling well, but I just figured I had a cold like always. But we went out to eat lunch through a drive-through the other day, and like they have like this French onion dip that goes with your onion rings and stuff, and I couldn't taste it. So I was like, oh my gosh, like what if I have it now? And so I came home, and I had some tests at home from, you know, when Biden was mailing tests home to people. And so I took a test, and yep, I was positive. All the other times I really thought I thought I had COVID. It's so funny. Like I get these colds and stuff. If you follow me, you probably have noticed that I get sick pretty easily when it comes to colds and that kind of stuff. So I just assumed that's what it was, you know. And the other time I've had the test done, and it was always sinus infection or, you know, something. So I just assumed that's what it was again this time. But nope. Surprise, surprise, it was not this time. But oh well. What are you gonna do? All right, so I'm gonna go over here.
We're not okay. I look into your eyes and see you fade away. But we're not the same. It's like we're on two sides of the Milky Way. Somehow we got used to the problems. Baby, we got used to to falling. I'm tired of feeling blue when I lose myself to love. Yeah, I just wanna lose my breath. 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 Yeah, I just wanna lose my Do you agree? This is not the way it is supposed to feel. Oh, and I can see there are different paths laid out for you and me. 'Cause baby, I'm a true believer, and I wanna stay true to my feelings. I'm tired of feeling blue when I lose myself to love. Yeah, I just wanna lose my breath. 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 Yeah, I just wanna lose my
This is just the first layer. I just thought I'd bring it down for a close-up. I got so much white. I need to build this up better because I don't like how I get so much resin in. Obviously, I'm just using too much resin because I always tend to get where I don't really want to have resin go up into my crystals. So I know. We'll see. I'm going to have to figure that out. We'll bring it back tomorrow. Alright, so we're back to draw the lines on.
I feel like I'm in a cage. The walls, they keep closing in. I need a place where I can breathe. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Let me swim deep, find a better way. Something to light up a spark again. So lift me up to a higher state. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. It's time to say goodbye, leave it all in show, don't we? Need you to hold your breath, swim till you reach a deeper end. It's time to leave, it's time to break free from the shallows. Whatever means, it's time to break free from the shallows. say goodbye, leave it all in shoulders. We need you to hold your breath. When do you reach deeper and we? It's time to leave, it's time to break free from the shallows, shallows. Whatever means, it's time to break free from the shallows, shallows. It's time to leave, it's time to break free from the shallows, shallows. Whatever means, it's time to break free from the shallows, shallows. A place where I can breathe. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Let me swim deep, find a better way. Something to light up a spark again. So lift me up to a higher state. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. It's time to say goodbye, leave it all in shoulders.